No. Fuck.
Yeah. Hey, hop in the Maybach cruising. Yeah. I get the cake, they lose it. I get the cake, hoes choosing. Yeah.
So what's going on, YouTube? You know, back with another video. I just got off of work and stuff. Saturday and all that. And glad to be off. Got off early. So yeah, I just got off of work and stuff. You know, I just wanted to make a video. Just talking about the things I'm about to do. Videos about to come up with. So like last video, I was talking about how I was gonna wrap my roof. Put on my new bumper. Got the new license plate bracket so I can put my license plate on the side, because it ain't gonna be no more license plate holes in the middle of the car. None of that. What else? You see, I got the seat covers right here. They looking like shit right now, but whatever. Had to get rid of that little piece of shit that was on there right now. That paint that I couldn't get off and stuff. So I bought the seat covers. I was thinking about getting like these little side skirts for the car, but I don't know. I feel like that's gonna be like too ricey and stuff. But I might still get them anyway. I'm gonna show y'all a picture right now. I'm gonna be upgrading to a big brake kit, all that, man. The Acura TL brakes. I'm gonna be upgrading to those. Get the coilovers. What else I'm gonna be getting, man? I said the side skirts. I was also thinking about converting my exhaust to a dual exhaust. Y'all know how like the 4-cylinder, they only got the single exhaust, and the V6 got the dual. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna convert it over to a dual setup. And I got this little lip spoiler on the car. I'm gonna be wrapping that too. Y'all might have seen that when I got my wheels and stuff. Y'all might have seen it on the back of the car. I'm gonna wrap that. And then there's some other stuff I gotta replace. I gotta replace these little armrests that's on the door and stuff, because they ripping up. If y'all know what I mean, like this stuff ripping up. I'm gonna show y'all. See how it's ripping up right there? I'm gonna replace those. I'm gonna get some black ones and all that. And I'm gonna replace my center console and make that black. So far, I like how my car turned out and everything, like with the black doors and then the black, dash and everything. Like I was trying to go for a black and tan scheme and stuff with like carbon fiber trims and stuff like that. It's still like a couple pieces that I gotta paint black and everything, which is like the stuff in the back, and then like it's these little pieces like right by the OBD2 port, whatever you call it. I gotta do those. I was also planning on changing the bulb inside the glove department box, the glove box, whatever you want to call it. I gotta pay attention to the road. I can't even think of what I want to say, but I'm gonna replace the bulb in there that's in the glove box to like a LED. I'm gonna replace the back lights, the back dome lights to a LED, and I still gotta do that third brake light to a LED. So I'm gonna do all that. I got a whole bunch of stuff coming, man. To be real with y'all, lately I've been thinking like I wanted to change my wheels for real. Like I was thinking about going with 20s and stuff, because the 19s, they starting to look too small, and then like just other reasons. But really I don't know, I want 20s, but then I'm like, nah, I kind of like the 19s. I kind of like these sport rims and everything. And I don't feel like, chunking out a whole bunch of money again for some wheels. And I still want to lower my car. I still want to put coilovers on. I still haven't even thought about which ones I wanted. But I was thinking about getting like either D2 racing coilovers or like the Tane or Teen, however you say it. I was thinking about getting some of them. Somebody even told me like I should get lowering springs, but I was like, nah, I don't want that, because I want to be able to like adjust my height and everything like that. I don't want to just get lowering springs and everything, and then like it's not like the height that I want, or I can't adjust them and stuff like that. I also got, I don't know if I told y'all, but I also got wheel spacers. I got wheel spacers for the rear. I'm gonna get some for the front. I'm gonna get 15 millimeters in the front. Right now I got 20s in the back, 20 millimeters in the back. I haven't put them on yet though because the car isn't lowered and it don't look right now. So once I get the car lowered, I'm gonna put them on, or I might even just put them on once I get the spaces for the front. That way it can all kind of look flush and everything, and it just don't, you know, look like a damn truck and stuff. Like I said, I got so much coming, man. I got so much stuff coming. I got a little piece that I got right now. I'm not gonna show y'all. It ain't you know, nothing serious or anything, but it's like a nice little addition to the car. I'm gonna show y'all in another video so y'all can see what that is. It actually makes the car look a lot nice and everything. And it's just a little touch to it. Kind of make the car a little bit more modern and everything. So I'm gonna show y'all that in another video. But currently I'm on my way home. I'm driving, so I can't really talk to y'all how I want to. So I feel like I'm just saying a bunch of like random stuff and everything like that. Okay, so it is now Monday, you know, 2 days later. I'm about to go outside, vacuum the car out because I got these new floor mats. I'm gonna be using those to replace my old ones because my old ones are starting to wear out and everything because those are cheap. I paid like $10 for them on Amazon. These are a better quality. I got them from Ross. If you know about Ross, I'm pretty sure they got them everywhere in the country. But if you know anything about Ross, they be having like some sneaky stuff. Like they be having things you just gotta look for. So I found them and they paid $15 for them. But they're real good quality. I'm gonna show y'all. See, these are better quality. They made by Craco. I mean, that company sounds familiar. I'm not familiar with it, but the name sounds familiar. But yeah, I'm gonna use those, replace my old ones. But first I'm gonna vacuum the car out and everything, cause you know, I don't wanna put no new mats in a car that's filled with grass and everything. People be getting in my car, be having grass on their feet, you know, all types of other stuff. So I'm gonna go out there and vacuum and put the mats in. Alright, so now I just got finished cleaning up the car. Surprisingly, it wasn't as much as I thought it was. It only took me like 10 minutes just to clean out the car and stuff. But now I'm about to go put the mats in and everything, and then I'll be done. These are the old mats, and these are the new mats. Look at this. Started getting a hole in it and stuff. So these was cheap. Hopefully these don't do the same thing. Alright, so I'm about to put the mats in the car now so I could get this over with. So I gotta cut the mats loose because they stapled together by these big ass staples. So I found these bad boys right here. Look, these look so much better than the old ones. They feel better, they look better. So, I mean, since they feel better quality, hopefully I don't get another hole in them. Or a hole in them, just like the last ones. But, see? Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go watch my previous videos. If you've been watching my channel, make sure you stay watching my channel because I got more stuff coming, man. Like for real, like, you know, it's not too many videos out there on 8th Gen Accords, you know, so I want to be the first to do that, put videos out there on the Accord and stuff. And it's people who put clips up there like the exhaust and then like just, you know, specific mods they got on the car. You know, I want to be the one who give like the full experience and stuff like that. So like, you know, like I'm planning on getting K-Tuner. So like when I get that, I want to give like a full breakdown of like, you know, how much of a difference it made, you know, stuff like that. Cause I be reading forums and everything and people don't really be giving like full detail of it. So that's what I want to do. I want to be here to do that because there's a lot of people with, you know, 8th Gen Accords, you know, whether it's like a 2008, 2009, 10, 11, 12, whatever it is, people be wanting to know like what these things could do, you know, what they can do to their car. And they just want to see like, you know, how it would look on somebody else's so that they can get like an idea of how it would look on theirs. So, I mean, I'm gonna be here to do that, but, you know, just stay subscribed. I got more videos coming. I got legendary stuff coming, so just look out. But like I said, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.